Nice.
Okay, so today we have a very important tutorial everybody loves, how to overclock your PC with a super high quality parts like this Intel Pentium 4, and we're gonna overclock it with this super laptop PC2 or DDR2 RAM. So what you want to do, you want to set your microwave to the max settings to get the best performance out of your processor, and then turn it on and see what happens. Why is nothing happening? Yeah, I see the overclocking is working. It's making some nice smoke. And now you just install it into your PC and it should be overclocked. We'll be right back. Okay, now that we have the CPU overclocked, let's put it in a PC.
Nice.
Good enough. Wow, it works! Bruh.